Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we want to look at how to insert row after every row content. So we have our data here, and in our data we want to ensure that we insert a row after each row content. So we want to insert row after this particular row. We want to insert another row beneath. To do that, we'll create an artificial dummy column which will give it the heading of a hash. Then we'll number it. So we'll number here 1, the second row 2, then we drag it down, so we have 8 row. We can then copy it and just repeat it beneath it. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Then we can then select the whole data. So then we select the whole data including the numbering where we have repeated. Then we go to filter, select our filter, and since we have selected our filter, I can go to the filter drop down and sort from smallest to largest. So you will see that all the ones will come together, all the twos will be grouped together, and that in effect will put a row after each, an empty row after each row content. So you have Kofi, then there's an empty row which follows like that. Then we can then delete this column, and there we have our data, and we can then quickly put our borders around it. And this is how smart you can really insert rows after every row content. Thank you for following us on eTeach Consult, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.